Here we have an old Premier drum kit that we thought we could remodel for you guys. First, start by removing the rims and the lugs of each drum. Make sure you keep the nuts and bolts together in a safe place. We used a drill to get rid of the internal screws, as you can see here. Then the next step will be to carefully remove the plastic coating. This shouldn't take too long. And once you've finished this, we'll start to paint the wood. After you've removed all of the plastic from the drums, find yourself a long pole and wedge it between two chairs so that the drums are off the ground. We started to paint the drums using a satin walnut glaze, but you can choose whatever colour you want. And once all of the drums have been painted, move them aside to let them dry. Once they're to the side and drying, then you can start to spray the metalwork. We chose the colour black here, we thought it would give it a nice look. Let those dry and go back to paint a second coat on the drums once the first layer has already dried. This may take a few hours. As you can see, we didn't keep the inside of the drum very clean. You can do this if you want to by placing tape over the bolt holes so the paint doesn't leak through. Here's just a little image of our lug and how to keep it in place. Make sure the kit's absolutely dry, then you can start to assemble your drums back together. We used a drill to get the screws back on the inside of the drum kit, and then simply place the rims on, and here we are, here's the finished product. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.